Hi everyone, today I will show you how to use this super simple add-on that is named Lily Surface Scrapper. So first let's go to any source, for example CG bookcase. Let's go and look for example this granite. Copy the link, press import from clipboard, and you can choose the quality right here. I'll choose 1K and let's press OK. Go to material preview and there you have it. The material is already on your object. Let's see how it looks in shader. Everything is connected. It's super helpful. I use this add-on often. If you want to scale it, go to UV editor, press tab, and you can scale it. Or you can do it through the shader editor right here. Hope this add-on will be helpful to you as it is for me, and see you in the next video. Bye.